So thank you, Devsika, for being with us even in the odd hour of morning. And without wasting much time, I would jump into the topic that career challenges and sustainable development. We, as our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, started two words that development and sustainability. These are two contradictory in their basic nature. Really, if we are going to extract everything from the earth and use it for our benefit, what we are going to leave for the coming generation? If we are going to pollute all the rivers and all that, even not going to leave them proper for drinking water, what is the thing we are going to leave for them? So sustainability is required with the preservation of nature, and at the same time, we are entitled to have and dig out from the earth. I'm quoting that uh, whatso our dear earth, let us make us sensible and vital enough to use whatsoever sensibly to be used, and even that we can return to our earth. Otherwise, we are a thief, no more than thief. We are looting and robbing the resources of the nature and cosmos. So that way, we must be very, very sensible in the use of all these resources. At the same time, we cannot stake being a developing country, a fast developing nation of the world. We should not be thrown out of the competition. Prime Minister Modi ji said that for sustainability and development, one statement that we have never been the part of the problem, but we will definitely be the part of the solution. And that's what where my dreams are, that we all Indians should try to fight back with the solution of this pandemic as well. And after that, we should try to give back something, some flowery life, and to this universe, gift it back. For that purpose, what as teachers we can do, we can thrive for training and training more. We should thrive for draw back the people who are moving towards the depression, fasting. God hand in his own sight, and mankind can never be a wasted creation. If God has created everything with its purpose, and there is definitely a purpose behind our existence. There are destined roles for us, and what is required, that we need to do justice with our roles. For that purpose, we are here. We can make the life of others very beautiful. I would like to quote our previous speakers right from the beginning of Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir and Swalji, and even Mr. Aman Suklaji, who said that Dr. Singh will agree with me that we should try something new daily, and that can make us the spirit of life, that can make that can instill the happiness and purpose of us on there. See, no doubt, because of this pandemic imposed the sense of reverse globalization, people started running back towards their home. And this homeward rush that was earlier, Ms. Deep Sikha will agree to me that earlier it was known as gold rush. In America, it is also known as wasteward rush or gold rush. But here now we are rushing to save our lives, and reverse globalization is there. This is not wasteward rush, this is not gold rush. Rather, the situation is like time is like homeward rush. And by the time everybody is running towards the home, at the same time, it is quite difficult for us to sustain the growth and development. Even survival is the question and at stake. We know that even in India, we are having approx 90,000 COVID-19 cases, above 90,000. So, and all the big countries are suffering. For that purpose, in that situation, what is the need to make everybody positive and feel positive and fight back with the zeal? Because if there definitely we need to fight back with equal zeal. This is not last virus case. This in past also problems and pandemics were there, and in future also people will have to face. But only the victory will be to human grit, human zeal, and human civilization. We need to aspire, fight back in whatsoever capacity we are, as jointly we stand and separately we will fall. With these words, I would like to stop my talk and invite, hand over it to the Bharti Shukla ji for some genuine question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there are some of the question
yes, sir.
look there,
Yes, sir.
but as moderator,
Sir,
you should start, and all the panelists, worthy panelists are requested
yes,
to
sir.
answer from the start.
Sir,
Yes.
this is the first question to Aman Shukla, sir. What, according to you, are the most challenging aspects that the freshers are gonna face in terms of job opportunities post COVID? Aman
Ma'am,
Shukla, sir.
could you repeat the question again? I'm sorry, I missed the last part.
Sure, sir. What, according to you, are the most challenging aspects that the freshers are gonna face in terms of job opportunities?
Looking at the current scenario, what I have been seeing, and since I also have a job platform by the name of Bharat Rozgar, what I have noticed is that now there has to be skill upgradation. I have said this in my opening statement as well, and I come from a place called Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh, and trust me, till date, what I see is that when I see my boys and girls landing up in Delhi, Noida, or Bangalore trying to find a job for themselves, the most important part which they face is they don't know how to sell themselves. So again, I will repeat, the only problem which students are going to face now is the polishing. We need to do a little bit of polishing to our boys and girls, and that's how we can bring that kind of motivation in them. Plus, again, I said, if you're applying for a job coding, you need to have a certification into that. Please try and get some online certifications. Upgrad, Udemy, lynda.com, there are so many certifications happening nowadays. Please just take one more step, and you'll be there. That's all, Madam Bharti. That's what I would like to answer to this question.
Sir, one more question to you also, that
Yes.
job opportunity